What's going on this morning, family? Black Feniks checking in. I'm outside of the HogOn Cafe right now, about to do some working on the staircase. Just realized I left my other welding hood, so I'm gonna have to go run back and go get it. I was getting everything prepped. This bar right here that I'm putting in is gonna be welded at the bottom, and the inside is for the landing. See, that way this can catch the landing that's up there, and then I can drill my holes and get everything set. So that's what I'm doing right now, trying to get everything prepared to actually fall in place like I needed to. So out here getting a few things done today. It feels excellent today. Need a hand, put out a couple ads to get a hand today to help me actually set it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to set it because I can't do it by myself. So I'm waiting to see if this guy gonna show up. I actually put a couple ads out because I'm looking for a guy that does framing all the time. That's what they specialize in. So I'm trying to find some contractors or people that frame to network with, because I'm gonna be having a couple more of these coming up as far as the storage units, and people want them framed out. So they're like, I'm gonna have to find me a crew that does that, because I don't specialize in framing. You know, I'm gonna do mine if I have to, but I'm trying to find someone to kill a few birds with one stone. So that's what we're doing today, man. Trying to get the staircase lined out, working on getting someone to come, and I do have a guy coming by give me a bid on the inside fabrication of it to do the finishing, you know, the carpentry work, you know, the framing and stuff. So I have a guy that's supposed to be giving me some numbers on that today. So I'm gonna sit back and wait on him and work on this. But I gotta go back and get this welding hood right now. So that's what I'm doing, doing what I can while I can. Out here getting my hog on. Feels good though before the weather tend to switch up on us. So I'm trying to utilize all my time. So that's what we're doing today, man, out here. Getting a few things going, so I can only do steps at a time. So I try to knock out steps. So that way, all I have to do is do like the finishing, touch-up stuff, you know what I mean? But on certain things, when you're doing this, you got to have a hand when it comes to installing certain things, you know what I mean? It is what it is. You can't do it by yourself, you know what I mean? Certain things you can. Like I say, a lot of this I did by myself, but I had to have a hand when it comes to the heavy stuff. So like when I put the cap on, and when you do the staircase, most definitely. And if you got a double door like this one, you got to have a hand just to help set it correctly. It'll help it go faster. So having you a good person to actually help you knock it out is going to be a plus for you. Two people, like three of y'all, is going to be real fast, but two people can get a lot done. Y'all can actually do different things, but three people can really get some stuff done. So three people on one of these, man, you can knock this out so fast, you know what I mean? So I'm just checking in. Like I say, I gotta go get my hood. So just wanted to give y'all a small update on what I got going on today. Hold on.